Hi, here are some words in Dutch you need to know that are all about nature. That can be useful when you go into the nature, or in the Netherlands if you go into the forest or some other area. These are some words regarding nature. So let's start with the most basic. Is the forest, is het bos. Then animals are dieren. An animal is een dier. So for instance, a deer, that is een hert. Hert. A bird is een vogel. Birds are vogels. Fish are vissen. A fish is een vis. So a tree is een boom. And trees are bomen. Plants are planten. Een plant is a plant. Flowers are bloemen. Insects are insecten. And spiders are spinnen. A spider is een spin. When we talk about water, you have the river is de rivier. You can also have a lake, that is een meer. The sea is de zee. And the beach is het strand. If you want to talk about going for a walk, that is wandelen. I am going for a walk is ik ga wandelen. A butterfly is een vlinder. And also some areas are actually swampy. So a swamp is een moeras. Then you can also find a lot of dunes. A dune is een duin. Dunes are duinen, which are also great place to see nature and to walk through the nature. And finally, a route is een route. Een route. So that's what you need to know because you want to go from A to B somewhere in the nature. So I hope this was a useful list of words regarding nature and hope to see you next time.